Don't push the button. A Halloween treat. Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. That scary house is the only one left, but I don't want to go. I heard that monsters live there. Ah, stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get us gobbled up? Please, 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 don't ring that doorbell. I'll give you all my candy if we go home right now. Sigh. I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say trick or treat. Can you do it?
Ding-dong. Trick or treat.
I'm too scared. You peep inside. Open the door slowly. Eek! Monsters! Shout boo to scare them away.
Boo!
Again, louder!
Boo!
Wow! Oh, that's better. Looks like there's a note for Larry. Can you cut the string and get it down for me? Can you please cut the string? Cut. Yes, cut it. What does it say? The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. Yeah, you clap so many times. The light is on. Surprise, Larry!
It's a laughing monster.
Yes.
It's a funny monster.
Yes, we have an extra special
He's
treat.
laughing.
Yes, we have an extra special treat for you, trick-or-treaters. Oh boy, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Push! Ta-da! Happy Halloween! I told you we should trick-or-treat at this house. Look, all the candies are falling from the ceiling.
Yeah.
It's so nice. The end.